Hey everyone, Nick from OdataLink here, and in this video I'll show you how you can manage email notifications that OdataLink generates. This is a new feature we've added in January 2024. OdataLink sends out emails to simplify resolving errors or issues with the OData feeds. There are two types of emails. Errors represents a problem preventing the data from being downloaded, whereas warnings are there to either inform you about issues or changes in your configurations. You can manage who receives these notifications from two different perspectives. All users of your account, or if you're an administrator of multiple accounts, you can manage notifications for all accounts with which you are associated. Now, if you want to manage notifications for all users of an account, click Users in the menu on the left-hand side, then click on Manage Notifications. This screen will list all users that are associated with the account, and you can toggle the errors or warnings for each one independently, or you can turn them all on or off using the buttons at the very top. Once configured, click the Save button. Now note that while all users are listed, only administrators receive errors or warnings. Alternatively, you can manage all notifications you receive by clicking on your email address in the top right corner, and then on the Manage Notifications button. The screen will list all accounts to which you're an administrator, and again you can toggle the errors or warnings for each one independently, or turn them all on or off using the buttons at the very top. Remember to save any changes you make. In the future, we'll be adding more options to these screens, such as who receives invoices, marketing emails, and so on.